I'm going to teach you everything I know about Amazon FBA, YouTube, and how to make money online. And best of all, I'm going to pay you to learn all of this. I'm looking to hire you or someone that you know in a few different roles for my business. But specifically, the number one position I'm looking to hire for is a right-hand man or woman, someone that's going to learn and help me with every aspect of my business. I'm going to teach you how to do everything. And this is a dream job opportunity. This is the opportunity I wish I had back when I quit my corporate job, because I'm going to teach you everything I've learned in the last 10 plus years of being a full-time e-commerce entrepreneur. I'm going to show you behind the curtain, including all the tips and tricks I know for how to make money online. And the reason that I think this could be such a good opportunity for you or someone that you know is because, not to brag, but last year I did over $1 million in profit. This year it's going to be close to $2 million profit. And I've done all this while only working a few hours a day while traveling and really enjoying my life. And that's because I've learned certain principles and systems that I've used to grow my business, which means that my businesses can all run even while I'm enjoying life. And the reason I think this is such a good opportunity is because I'm going to share all this with you if you get this job. The pay for this position is going to be between $60,000 to $80,000 a year. Plus there's going to be opportunities for bonuses, and the pay is negotiable. If you have a lot of skills, if you have a lot of experience, I'm willing to be flexible on that. That being said, I'm ideally looking for someone that's willing to be driving distance to Santa Monica. So if you don't already live in Southern California, ideally I would want you to move somewhere within driving distance. And the idea would be so we could meet up in person at least 3 days a week, because I really believe for us to get the most out of working together, being in person at least 3 days a week could be extremely helpful. Though if you're not able to do that and you can only work remote, feel free to still apply, and maybe if you're really highly qualified, we can make it work. And after the first year, if we get a good groove going, there is the potential to change things up and make it so you can work remotely, so you can travel while working. We can figure things out, but I think for at least a year, to be living in the same general area so we can meet up in person could be extremely valuable. Another bonus of this job is after you've been working here for a little while, I'm opening to partnering up on a business together. I'm going to teach you everything that I know, and if it seems like we'd be a good fit, I'd be happy to fund a business and have us both partner on this business together. Now I'm going to tell you how to apply for this job, and I'm also going to tell you about a few other positions that I have available in just a minute. But first off, I want to explain the kind of person that I'm looking for this position. One of the biggest things I'm going to be looking for in hiring you for this role is someone that is a go-getter, someone that I can give tasks to and they just go and get them done, someone that's not going to constantly be asking me questions about how do I do this and how do I do this when the answers are easy to find on Google and other places. I want someone that's going to take ownership of the different roles and get them done without me. I'm ideally looking for someone that has a love for learning. I don't expect you to have any skills in anything internet marketing related. As long as you're smart and willing to learn, that's enough. A lot of this stuff can be taught very easily. I'm also looking to hire someone that is excited, someone that really wants to learn all this stuff, and someone that has persistence. Because a lot of this stuff isn't necessarily easy right out of the gate, but if you have persistence and when I give you a task, you try and try again before you come to me asking for help, that's a really strong sign. The last thing I'm looking for is someone that has confidence in themselves and is willing to challenge me. I want to brainstorm with you and I want you to be able to tell me when you think I'm wrong, and so we can make everything that we do better. And that's a big reason why I'm going to be hiring you, is I want to improve this YouTube channel. I want to make better videos. So I'm going to want your feedback on how the videos are, how they can be improved. Same thing, I'm looking to improve the courses that I have. I'm looking to launch more Amazon businesses, and I'm going to want your help with all of that. Now, as far as your roles with this position, again, you're going to be working on just about every aspect of the business, but I want to start doing more TikToks and YouTube shorts and filming more vertical videos. And that's something that I want your help with. And even if you don't have any experience doing that, that's fine. This is something that we can learn together. I'm also going to be starting more Amazon FBA businesses, and I'm going to teach you my methodology for starting these Amazon businesses, but I want your help in finding manufacturers and getting the design done, of getting all the small parts of starting this business together. And in addition to these tasks, there's going to be lots of other tasks. For instance, I want to start doing more podcasts. I want to get on more podcasts. I want to have more guests on my podcast. I want to start collaborating with more YouTubers, and you're going to help me with all of that. Now, I'm going to explain how to apply for this in just a minute, but a second position that I'm looking to hire for is I'm looking to actually partner with someone on a second YouTube channel about Amazon FBA. And for this position, I would want someone that has Amazon FBA or e-commerce experience and is willing to film themselves, willing to be on a YouTube channel, willing to help me script the videos and even review some of the videos. But if you want to apply for either one of these positions, what I want you to do is I want you to film a 2 to 5 minute long video on your phone. It doesn't have to be professional, and I want you to send it to me at travis@effectiveecommerce.com. Make sure when you film the video that it is horizontal and make the title of the email, I want to work for you. And in this video, I want you to tell me about yourself, your education, your past experience with internet marketing and e-commerce, or just whatever relevant job experience you have. Then I want you to tell me why you want to work with me, as well as why I should pick you versus all the other people. On top of that, I want you to tell me what your favorite book is and why, and who you would have a conversation with. If you could have a conversation with anybody in history, who that person would be and why you'd want to have a conversation with them. The deadline to send me in the videos is April 25th, but if you are watching this video after April 25th, I'm always looking for new talent to bring on and hire onto the team. So always feel free to send in your videos. But for this position, on April 25th, I'm gonna start seriously looking through all the applications and I'm gonna hire someone. And even if you don't wanna apply for this position, if there's someone that you know that you think might be a good fit, share this video with them and have them apply. And don't overthink this video too much. A lot of people end up overthinking these type of things and they never end up submitting an application, but just all you need to do is film 2 to 5 minute video. Doesn't matter how good or high quality the video is. What I really care about is getting to know you, getting to see how smart you are, getting to see a sense of your personality. So film that video, send me an email at travis@effectiveecommerce.com with your video, and I look forward to working with you.